Okay, walking up to the Porsche this morning. Well, it's now actually afternoon, but I think it's still morning because I haven't done a lot. Oh my God, does it look shiny? Yeah, happy with that. Forget how shiny it actually is. I haven't done anything to it since I put it here. That was the other day. Oh, was that yesterday? I can't remember now. There's Mercedes under that one. I haven't got a cover yet. Got to get one. I ordered one on Temu of all places. I don't know what it's going to be like.